Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys do not miss on any of the profits that we make on regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So as you guys can see that when we were discussing the gold analysis yesterday, we marked this area as an area of short-term support and this area as an area of short-term resistance. Market remained sideways and respected both of our areas and gave us good profits. So first of all, let me take this buy trade from here and let us check that how much profit would we have made if we would have simply taken this buy entry from here. Our stop loss would be approximately till here and our take profit will be till here. So this trade would have given us a 4.9% profit, which is amazing considering this was only a sideways market. And then once market tested our area of resistance and closed below our area, we would have taken a short position over here, and this trade would still be running in a profit of approximately 4.4%, which is again wonderful and amazing given that market has only remained sideways and we are making more than 8 to 9% profit. That is very good and a very good success rate considering our given scenarios are being followed accurately and we are not taking any huge risks. Okay, so now let me move all these scenarios forward so you guys can easily do trading tomorrow as well. And if you guys would like to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Meanwhile, just follow these given scenarios and that would be the all important case for you guys, and just follow this given key and you guys will be making good profits tomorrow in this pair as well. And if there is anything further that you guys would like to know, just let me know in the comment section. So meanwhile, just hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow with the fresh scenarios. Thank you.